गणानान्त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः सदानिम्बवृक्षस्य मूलाधिवासात् सुधास्राविणं तिक्तमप्य प्रियन्तं तरुं कल्पवृक्षाधिकं साधयन्तन्नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं सायिनाथम् ॐ श्री साईनाथाय नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थ्यै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता Are you seeing my screen? Okay. एभिर्हतैर्जगदुपैति सुखं तथैते कुर्वन्तु नाम नरकाय चिराय पापम् सङ्गममृत्युमधिगम्य दिवं प्रयान्तु मत्वेति नूनमहितान् विनिहंसि देवी दृष्ट्वैव किन्न भवती प्रकरोति भस्म सर्वासुरानरिषु यत्प्रहिणोषि शस्त्रम् लोकान् प्रयान्तु रिपवोऽपि हि शस्त्रपूता इत्थं मतिर्भवति तेष्वहितेषु साध्वी खड्गप्रभानिकरविस्फुरणैस्तथोग्रैः शूलाग्रकान्तिनिवहेन दृशोऽसुराणाम् यन्नागता विलयमंशुमदिन्दुखण्ड योग्याननन्तव विलोकयतान्तदेतत् दुर्वृत्तवृत्तशमनं तव देवि शीलं रूपं तथैव दविचिन्त्य मतुल्यमन्यैः वीर्यं च हन्तृहृतदेव पराक्रमाणां वैरिष्वपि प्रकटितैव दया त्वयेत्थं केनोपमा भवतु तेऽस्य पराक्रमस्य रूपं च शत्रुभयकार्यतिहारि कुत्र चित्ते कृपा समरनिष्ठुरता च दृष्टा त्वय्येव देवि वरदे भुवनत्रयेऽपि त्रैलोक्यमेतदखिलं रिपुनाशनेन त्रातं त्वया समरमूर्धनि तेऽपि हत्वा नीतादिवं रिपुगणाभयमप्यपास्तमस्माकमुन्मद सुरारिभवन्नमस्ते शूलेन पाहि नो देवि पाहि खड्गेन चाम्बिके घण्टास्वनेन नः पाहि चापज्ञानिस्वनेन च प्राच्यां रक्ष प्रतीच्यां च चण्डिके रक्ष दक्षिणे ब्राह्मणेनात्मशूलस्य उत्तरस्यान्तथेश्वरीम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Hari Om, Shalom, Sai Ram, Namaste. As we are approaching this beautiful Mahishantakari Stotram ending today, we offer our prayers in humbleness at the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, Shivashaktyatmaka, Shivashaktyatita, on this 96th year of advent of supreme love that has ever descended on this universe. And praying our reverential pranams, let's now start the next one. Saumyani yani rupani त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चात्यन्त घोराणि तै रक्षस्मां statha bhuvam. The 26th shlokam in Mahishantakari Suktam that we are looking at. Saumyani yani rupani, all those beautiful forms. This is the Aghora. And also Atyanta Ghorani, which is the Ghora. The Aghora and Ghora. Ghore ebhyoth ghore ebhyo ghora ghora tarebhyah sarve ebhyah sarva sharve ebhyo namaste astu rudra rupebhyah. That is the Shivopasana mantram, which is now put in a shlokam form in this particular one. Aghorebhyo Athagorebhyo Ghora Ghoratarebhya. So how many different levels are described? Trailokye Bhuvam, four different. Aghorebhyo Athagorebhyo Ghora Ghoratarebhyo. Sarvebhyaha, and Yani Rupani, Saumyani Yani Rupani, Trailokye Vicharanti Te. Vicharanti means manifested and moving around. Yani cha atyanta ghorani tai, and not only with those saumyani, but also with atyanta ghorani te, O mother, with those forms, rakshasmam, you are protecting us, tatha, always, here and everywhere else. Now what is bhuvam and what is the other trilokya? The bhuvam is in the body, and then outside of the body, beyond all of those things, right? That is the beautiful adhyavocha dadhivakta pradhamo daivyo bishak ahigischa sarvan jambhayan sarvascha yatu dhanyaha. As I said, there is no difference between Devi Mahatmyam and Sri Rudram. If you want to chant Sri Rudram in a story form, in shlokas, then you are chanting Devi Mahatmyam. If you don't want a story and 100% truth and truth only, nothing else, no color coating, then it is Rudram. that is what it is. If you want color coating, some story to appeal your mind, then Devi Mahatmyam. If you don't want any color coating whatsoever, completely 100% truth, that is Sri Rudram. Saumyani yani rupani trailokye vicharanti te yani cha atyanta ghorani tai rakshasmam statha bhuvam. Markandeya.
Om सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि
ॐ सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि
त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते
त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते
यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि
यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि
तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम्
तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम् तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम्
यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम्
Okay.
यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम्
Okay. Sorry.
यानि च
One second. Yani chatyanta ghorani. So there seems to be this is a discrepancy. I will check that. Yani chatyanta ghorani. It should be, but please go ahead. I'll look at the Sringeri Patham and so sorry to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you, brother.
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम्
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम् सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि तैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवम्
Okay, it should be yani chatyanta ghorani, not artha ghorani. Ati atyanta ghorani. That is the correct interpretation, more appropriate interpretation. So we'll change that in English. How much our attention I pay to these, somehow we have to completely recalibrate sometimes. So apologies for that. So especially for the chanters, it could be confusing. So then so we'll correct that to Artha Ghorani to Anta Ghorani Yani Chatyanta Ghorani. Okay, all right. And the next mantra Khadga Shula Gadadini Yani Cha Astrani Tembike Karapallava Sangini Tairasman Raksha Sarvataha. Now, these are very powerful prayers with the last one in the Suktam, the Mahishantakari Suktam. Ambike, my dear Ambika, O Ambika, protect us. Protect us with what? On every side, Sarvataha, all over, omni protection. Sarvataha, Raksha, Asman, protect all of us, all around, all the time, everywhere. And with what? Khadga, her sword, Shula, the trident, Gada, the mace, Ini means and so on, Yani, Cha, Astrani, with all those weapons, and Karapallava, Sangini, Tairasman Rakshasarvataha. Now, if you just say, oh, why only these things? Wasn't she carrying lot of other things? Akshamala, all those things. Yes, so therefore, now it says, whatever your beautiful hands, soft hands, Karapallava Sangini. Whatever your hand has touched, it gets protected. Now you understand what that means is that even those asuras were actually protected by her touch, not so called destroyed. It is apparent destruction, but they already said, right? They could have spent innumerable number of years in the Naraka, but just because you touched them, O mother, you got them relieved of all those potential pain that they should have gone through. So even the mother's touch in punishing a child is actually protection. If the mother doesn't touch the child in punishment, she is not protecting, because the child will get destroyed by his or her own vices. And that is what this means. Khadga, Shula, Gadadini, Yani Chastrani Tembike, Karapallava Sangini, Tairasman, Raksha Sarvataha. Martin.
खड्गशूलगदादीनि
खड्गशूलगदादीनि खड्गशूलगदादीनि
यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके
यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके
खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके
खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके
करपल्लवसङ्गीनि सङ्गीनि
करपल्लवसङ्गीनि करपल्लवसङ्गीनि
तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः
तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः
करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः
करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः
खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः
खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः.
Okay, so as I keep repeating many times, in some pathas, the words like, for example, Artha Ghorani doesn't, from a literary meaning point of view, that is perfectly fine, correct. But in the context of following this patham here, most of the patham we are following here is from the Sringeri patham, and also which is Guptavati patham, and those are the more authentic sources of these mantras. And the reason why certain words will make sense and in more complete sense is because the bijaksharas associated with that particular lines will be more complete in those. That is the way we are following those. So I just want to clarify, because for example, Gorakhpur Patham I just checked has Artha, and most of the texts that we have been following so far, the reason why we are correcting is Gorakhpur Patha. Hopefully, the next chapters we will fix them to go through the the Guptavati, which is more the source that we will be following for the yajna. Okay, so now with that, now we are going to the completion of the Mahishantakari Suktam. Please, if you even if you don't chant any other, just chanting that this particular has so much power and potency, as it is said, for the mother's glory and her beauty. Rishi Ruvacha. Now Rishi is speaking. Which Rishi is speaking?
Sumedha.
Sumedha.
Okay, very good. We are connected. Evam stuta surair divyaihi kusumaihi nandanodbhavaihi archita jagatan dhatri tatha gandhanulepanaihi. Then all the evam stuta surair divyaihi, this incredible this Devi that they are now worshipping, they used the flowers from Nandana. There is the garden of Nandana, blossomed in Nandana, and worshipped her. Jagatan Dhatri, the one who protects or bears all the worlds with gandha and flowers. Evam stuta surair divyaih kusumair nandanodbhavaih. What is the reference to nandanodbhavaih? Why not any other garden? Why not my backyard? Why nandanodbhavaih? That is the inner meaning of that is Nandana means with the hearts that are full of reverence and bliss and happiness. That is Nandanam. That is where Krishna is born. Krishna is raised. Krishna is raised in these with these hearts that are full of love for him. Nandanodbhavaike. Kusumai. And the flowers here, not so much the flowers as we think as the flowers, as Bhagavan describes very beautifully. These are with the Ashta Pushpa, with Satya, Dharma, compassion, Indriya Nigraha. These are the real flowers of worship. And those flowers blossom when your heart is filled with nothing but bliss, bliss filled hearts that are now offering, that are now fully aromatic. Means what? Your thoughts so generated are full of this aroma that is ever expanding and never stops and just carries that beautiful aroma of the thoughts is carried through all over. This is the inner significance of why I am going through all of this is we are so much programmed to think that puja is this. Puja is that we have only these flowers and garlands and everything. Yes, that is all true, but those are all only physical worship in the context of what you do to Bhagavan. But the real worship, even in offering a flower to Bhagavan, is if you take one flower and that one flower or one leaf that is truly phalam, pushpam, patram, toyam, as it said in Bhagavad Gita, those are references to what you offer from the bottom of your heart. Evam stuta surair divyaih kusumair nandanodbhavaih archita jagatam dhatri tatha gandhanulepanaih.
एवं स्तुतासुरैर्दिव्यैः
एवं स्तुतासुरैर्दिव्यैः एवं स्तुतासुरैर्दिव्यैर्
कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः
कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः
एवं स्तुतासुरैर्दिव्यैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः
एवं स्तुतासुरैर्दिव्यैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः एवं स्तुतासुरैर्दिव्यैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः
अर्चिता जगतां धात्री
अर्चिता जगतां धात्री अर्चिता जगतां धात्री
तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः
तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः
अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपन अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः
अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः
एवं स्तुता सुरैर्देव्यैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः
एवं स्तुता सुरैर्दिव्यैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः एवं स्तुता सुरायर्दिव्यैः कुसुमैर्नन्दनोद्भवैः अर्चिता जगतां धात्री तथा गन्धानुलेपनैः
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैः सुधूपिता. Now this what they are now referring to here, the worship continues. Bhaktya, now bhaktya samastair, with all the devotion. Tridashair means all the gods and demigods offered her divyair dhupai sudhupita, which is the heavenly incense, as it is referred to here. Divyair means um, wonderful, beautiful. Dhupa, sudhupita. Praha prasada sumukhi samastan pranatan suran. All this then Praha prasada sumukhi, pleased with all their devotion and her and their bhakti and their love for her, she spoke to all the devas that are now obeisant to her in worship and humility. So now this is with a very beautiful timing to offering our love to Bhagavan, so that he will respond with the same beauty. How much of beauty and love that we have towards him, it is reflected back with infinitely multiplied. She will now speak to them. Bhaktya samastais tridashair divyair dhupais sudhupita praha prasada sumukhi samastan pranatan suran, those that are offering their pranams to her.
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर् भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्
दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तुधूपिता
दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तु धूपिता दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तु धूपिता
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तुधूपिता
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तु धूपिता भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तु धूपिता
प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी
प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी
समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान्
समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान् समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान्
प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान्
प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान् प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान्
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तुधूपिता प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान्
भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तु धूपिता प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान् भक्त्या समस्तैस्त्रिदशैर्दिव्यैर्धूपैस्तु धूपिता प्राह प्रसादसुमुखी समस्तान् प्रणतान् सुरान्.
Now again in Telugu, what I noticed is dhupaihi sudhupita. When you do the sandhi, it becomes dhupai stu dhupita. Instead of su, it becomes stu. So if you know the grammar, then you would automatically chant as it. But because most of us don't, I'll make the correction so there is no confusion there. Rupai stu dhupita. Technically, if there is a visarga and followed by that, it should automatically dhupaistu dhupita, and now it is corrected for those that have any confusion about that. Okay, then Devyuvacha, the mother Devi started speaking. Then she said, Vriyatam Tridasha Sarve Yadasmatobhivanchitam. Then she's saying, Vriyatam, now I am speaking, I am asking you, Tridasha, all the devas, choose whatever you want to choose. Vriyatam means choose. Tridasha means all the gods, Sarve, all of you. Yadasmatto bhivanchitam. Whatever you desire from me, please ask. I am ready to grant. This is the mother's blessing to all devas who have praised her with so much hearts, full of love for her, and with gratefulness for what she has done to them. Devyuvacha Vriyatam Tridasha Sarve Yarasmatto Bhivanchitam.
देव्युवाच व्रियतां त्रिदशा सर्वे
देव्युवाच व्रियतां त्रिदशाः सर्वे. देव्युवाच व्रियतां त्रिदशाः सर्वे.
यदस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितम्
यदस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितम्. यदस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितम्.
व्रियतां त्रिदशा सर्वे यदस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितम्
प्रियतां त्रिदशाः सर्वे यदस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितम्. प्रियतां त्रिदशाः सर्वे यदस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितम्.
Deva Uchuhu. Then all the devas started replying to her, and they said, Bhagavatya Kritam Sarvam Na Kinchidavasishyate. Bhagavatya, O Mother Bhagavati, Kritan Sarvam Na Kinchidavasishyate. You have done everything, Mother. What else is left? Huh? You see, when God asks, this is the beauty of the Devas versus Asuras. Okay? The moment you ask, what do you want? What the Asura say? Let me get immortality. Let me not be killed by anyone. Let me be the best in the world. Let me be this. Let me be that. But what is the quality of the divine? The quality of the gods is not asking for more. Be happy with, content with what is already given. Then what they're saying, oh mother, you have already done everything. There is nothing left. Yadayan nihatashatruhu asmakam mahishasuraha. Everything has been done. You have killed all our enemies and also Mahishasura. Nothing left. Huh? Now that is the beauty of, now you understand the difference between a sattvic mind and a rajasic mind that is in tamoguna. A rajasic mind in tamoguna is rakshasas. A sattvic mind that is already content and only be looking for the good of others and unconditionally always constantly looking for the good of others, that is the sattvic bhakti. Both are bhakti only. God will give protection to this and that, No, he wouldn't judge from that point of view. But when your mind is propelled by that, that is what you fall into. How is your dhiyo yonaf prachodayat? That is exactly what the Gayatri mantra is. Dhiyo yonaf prachodayat. Why Gayatri mantra is so powerful is because it is pulling you towards this supreme love, towards the divine and contentment, and constantly looking for the happiness of the others. Bhagavatya kritan sarvam na kinchid avasishyate yadayan nihatashatrurasmakam mahishasuraha.
देवा ऊचुः भगवत्या कृतं सर्वम्
देवाऊचुः भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं देवाऊचुः भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं
न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते
न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते
भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते
भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते
यदयन्निहतः शत्रु
यदयन्निहतः शत्रु यदयन्निहतः शत्रु
अस्माकं महिषासुरः
अस्माकं महिषासुरः अस्माकं महिषासुरः
यदयन्निहतः शत्रुरस्माकं महिषासुरः
यदयन्निहतः शत्रुरस्माकं महिषासुरः यदयन्निहतः शत्रुरस्माकं महिषासुरः
देवा ऊचुः भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते यदयन्निहतः शत्रुरस्माकं महिषासुरः
देवाऊचुः भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते यदयन्निहतः शत्रुरस्माकं महिषासुरः देवा ऊचुः भगवत्या कृतं सर्वं न किञ्चिदवशिष्यते यदयन्निहतः शत्रुरस्माकं महिषासुरः
यदि च अपि वरो देयः त्वया अस्माकं महेश्वरी, O Maheshwari, in case and if a boon has to be granted by you, that is the other divine quality. You cannot deny God by saying, it's okay, you have done everything, now we are done with you. But because she asked, they have to oblige. O Mother Maheshwari, and if it is still your will that a boon has to be granted to us by you, yadi chapi varodeyah tvaya asmakam maheshwari samsmruta samsmrutatvam no himsa athah paramapadaha. Samsmruta. The moment we think of you, and we won't think of you all the time. In case again, in case again, if we face any apada, paramapada means unbearable calamity, parama, ultimate calamities due to the himsa of asuras, due to the violence of these asuras, then whenever we think of you, destroy our ultimate calamities. This is so beautiful. The only reason why God gave us the intellect and the thought is to pray. Nothing else is to think of the divine. That every time an obstacle comes, and your skills, your capacities, and all the things that God has bestowed you are not even found enough to face them, or even if you find them, then you think of God and you pray to God, not alone, collectively. There are two samsmritas here. Samsmrita, samsmrita. Why they put two times samsmrita? The first time is individually, the second time is collectively. We won't pray alone, because if we pray alone, you will be asking about yourself most of the time. You do this to me, you do that to me. This is constantly giving action items to God. When you do it collectively, you think about how can we be collectively facing a calamity. And this calamity that we are talking about, Paramapadaha, something like this pandemic that has happened to us. Collectively, you have to pray, not just sitting at your own altar. That's for you, the intensity is not multiplied so much. But when you come collectively and do, when you're doing a yajna together, honestly, please, will you sacrifice your own individual fight for freedom and say, I will do anything for the sake of goodness of others? We're getting bombarded with some emails from some people about that people are taking away their individual freedom. Government is killing us. Hello. Just think about what will you sacrifice for the goodness of others. Samsmrita, samsruta, tam no himsedha paramapadaha. This is the beauty of how the divine souls will work. They will give up their individual rights for the sake and goodness and the welfare. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Yedi chapi varodeyastvayasmakam maheshwari samsmruta samsmruta tvam no himsedha paramapadaha.
यदि चापि वरोधेयः
यदि चापि वरोधेयः यदि चापि वरोधेयः
त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरि
वयास्माकं महेश्वरे वयास्माकं महेश्वरे
यदि चापि वरोधेयस्त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरि
यदि चापि वरोधेयस्त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरे यदि चापि वरोधेयस्त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरे
संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वं नो
संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वन्नो संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वन्नो
हिंसेथाः परमापदः
हिंसेत्थाः परमापदः हिंसेत्थाः परमापदः
संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वं नो हिंसेथाः परमापदः
संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वन्नो हिंसेत्थाः परमापदः संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वन्नो हिंसेत्थाः परमापदः
यदि चापि वरोधेयस्त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरि संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वं नो हिंसेथाः परमापदः
यदि चापि वरोधेयस्त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरे संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वन्नो हिंसेत्थाः परमापदः यदि चापि वरोधेयस्त्वयास्माकं महेश्वरे संस्मृता संस्मृता त्वन्नो हिंसेत्थाः परमापदः.
And now they continue. It's not just us. Not just if we pray, you come. Whoever prays to you. And in this is the other thing. The Rajasic, Rakshasic bhakti is that God should be only with me and nobody else. Yeah, this is beautiful. I was watching this beautiful Swamiji Vidya Prakashananda and listening to his Gita explanation, and he says, "Mera hai tera hai. Mine also and others also. This is godly thought. Okay? Not yours, only mine. Not yours, only mine is the next level, Madhyama Bhakti. Then only mine and not yours is the Rakshasic Bhakti. This Rakshasas will think God should be only pleased with them. Nobody else should get that divine grace. So selfish. But here they are saying, Yascha Martyaha Stavairebhistvam Stoshyatyamalānane. Amalanane, the one with absolute purity. Anana means face, the face that is ultimate purity.
Are you mute?
We can't hear you, Shitaji.
You're muted.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
You missed all the golden words, so I'm not going to
Yeah.
repeat them. Okay. uh,
You said the face of ultimate purity.
the face with ultimate purity. So you heard the rest of it, right? Mera, tera, and tera, mera, and mera only. Yeah, okay. So then those are the golden words. You didn't miss much. Okay. So, yeah, yascha martyaha tavaihi ebihi tvam stoshyat amalanane. When even the mortal ones praise you with these hymns, tasya vittardhihi vibhavaihi dhanaha daradi sampadam. Uh, Now you see, this is the now what they're saying is, if even the mortals praise with these above to you, what that the mortals want? They want vitta, wealth. They want wife, WWW. They want a wife, they want the wealth, and they want the wine. Okay, WWW, World Wide Web. That's what the mortals will ask for. What the immortals will ask for? The three W's only, but work, worship, and wisdom. They will ask for that. The mortal ones with the lower level of bhakti, they ask for wife, they ask for wealth, and they ask for wine. That is Vibhava, Dhana, Dharadi, Sampadam. They want all those things, prosperity of life with all the so called those things. That is now, why? Because they are saying like this. It's very important. It's not that this is lower, that is higher, or anything like that. People will ask God what they want based on their own awareness, not because of anything else. So, constantly, what you have to ask God is, give me the right awareness to ask you the right thing. Even I don't even have the awareness to what to ask you. Even that awareness has to come from you. If I choose to ask God what I will ask, if a 3-year old God in front of them, what do you want? God asks. The 3-year old awareness is a beautiful ice cream or a gulab jamun or a chocolate. He will say, give me chocolate. That's the awareness of a 3-year old. Then, but that mind of a 5-year old, when it is propelled by the divine love, like a dhruva, touched by the conch of Mahavishnu, what he said, what do I want? I don't want anything. I just want to be with you and with you only. Yascha martyaha stavaire bhistvam stoshyat yamalanane. Tasya, to all of them, you give wealth, wife, dhana, fortune, and all these daradi means wife is vibhava means prosperity, dhana, vitta means wealth, vibhava means prosperity, dhana means wealth, daradi means wives and children, sampadam, all the kinds of life that is filled with all these things, because they know that's what mortals will ask. So, but here is the beauty. This Mahishantakari Stotram. This is the then they are saying Vruddhaye Asmat Prasannatvam Bhavedhah
You're muted.
We can't hear you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, now we are.
I don't know, it's strange because I'm not muting myself. What happened to...
Internet problem.
That's www problem. Okay. Okay, if you are all hearing me, do you all see I somehow Martin and Shanta disappeared? Martin, Shanta, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Something happening with www today. So let's come back. So यश्चमर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने तस्य वित्तर्धिविभवैर्धन दारादिसम्पदां वृद्धये अस्मत्प्रसन्नात्वं भवेद्धाः सर्वदाम्बिका. Then they're saying, O Mother, who have become gracious towards us, and who is the purity personified in her face, whatever the mortals praise, vruddhaye asmat prasanna tvam bhava ethah sarvadambike. Let's complete with 36 and 30.
यश्च मर्त्यस्तभैरेभिः
यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिः यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिः
त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने
स्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने स्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने
यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने
यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने
तस्य वित्तर्दिभिवहैर्
तस्य वित्तर्धिविभवैर्
धनधारादिसम्पदाम्
धनदारादिसम्पदाम्
तस्य वित्तर्दिभिवहैर्धनधारादिसम्पदाम्
तस्य वित्तर्धिविभवैर्धनदारादिसम्पदाम् तस्य वित्तर्धिविभवैर्धनदारादिसम्पदाम्
यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने तस्य वित्तर्दिविभवैर्धनधारादिसम्पदाम्
यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने तस्य वित्तर्धिविभवैर्धनदारादिसम्पदाम् यश्च मर्त्यस्तवैरेभिस्त्वां स्तोष्यत्यमलानने तस्य वित्तर्धिविभवैर्धनदारादिसम्पदाम्.
Yes, vruddhaye asmat prasanna. I already covered the meaning of it. Martin, you should complete 37 also.
वृद्धये स्मरत्प्रसन्ना त्वम्
वृद्धये स्मत्प्रसन्ना त्वम् वृद्धये स्मत्प्रसन्ना त्वम्
भवेथा सर्वदाम्बिके
भवेथा सर्वदाम्बिके भवेथा सर्वदाम्बिके
वृद्धये स्मत्प्रसन्ना त्वम् भवेथा सर्वदाम्बिके
वृद्धये स्मत्प्रसन्ना त्वम् भवेथा सर्वदाम्बिके वृद्धये स्मत्प्रसन्ना त्वम् भवेथा सर्वदाम्बिके.
Yeah, so these 37 makes complete Mahishantakari Suktam. And this Mahishantakari Suktam concludes with the Devas being in gratefulness. Now, just go back and reflect on these mantras that are very, very powerful. I just want to be very clear. There is absolutely nothing wrong in asking God if you need wealth or wife or all those kind of things, you know. And the point of this is that whoever asks whatever, they will be bestowed with those things, is the point that they are making in this particular last mantram. So now going to the response, now Rishi Ruvacha iti prasadita devaihi jagata ardhe tatha atmanah tathetyuktva bhadrakali babhuvantarhita nripa. O king, who is the king? Hello.
Medha.
Hello. Sumedha is the king.
Suratha.
Okay, thank you. Whoever said Sumedha probably joined the classes late. Okay. Uh, Sumedha is the Rishi. Nripa is the Suratha. O Suratha, O king, thus being pleased by the Devas or propitiated by the Devas. So don't call this as Shakra. This Stuti means praise. This translation calling praise is incorrect. Praise is Stuti or Stotram, is what you do in complete understanding and awareness. That's what they did. If you praise people for obtaining something, then or just as a thanks, that is not stuti. It is, that's the stotram really means something that you say with complete awareness. And when you completely, wholeheartedly acknowledge the divinity for what you have been bestowed with, then God will be truly pleased. He also knows, Are chumma thanks, what they're saying. Chumma thanks. And that's why God also says, Don't thank me. There is nothing called a thank. This thing, when you truly are aware of it, then the God will be pleased by your awareness. Why? Because you are not only praising for or your awareness is not just about yourself, but for the sake of all the beings in all the worlds, not just yourself. Iti prasadita devair jagatordhe tatha atmanaha. Jagatordhe Atmano Mokshartham Jagadhitaya cha. This is what Swami Vivekananda said. You just internally for yourself, you seek moksha, you seek mohakshaya. But for the sake of welfare of others, you do service. This is the same thing Bhagavan said. So in Atma, we are connected, and in bodies, we serve each other. Jagata ardhe tatha atmanaha. They propitiated her for the sake of the world and for the sake of all the beings in all the worlds. Samastaloka sukhino bhavantu tatha ityuktva bhadrakali babhuva antarhita nrupa. Bhadrakali said, Tathastu. And then she disappeared. Tathastu uktva Bhadrakali. Bhadrakali then said, Tathastu. What did she say Tathastu for? She said Tathastu for these last two things that they said. Yadi chapi varodeyas tvayasmakam maheshwari samsmruta samsmrutantvano himsedhav paramahitaha yaschamartyastavaire bhistvam stoshyatyamalane tasya vittarti vibhavair dhanadharadi sampadam Vruddhaye asmat prasannatvam bhavedha sarvadambike. Those things, for those last three things, which is about their own self realization and for the welfare of all the beings in all the worlds. For those things, she said, Tathastu. And then babhuva, then she vanished at their sight. Antarhita. Babhuva antarhita. Yes. Iti prasadita devair jagatordhe tadhatmanah tathetyuktva bhadrakali babhuvantarhita nripa.
ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैः
ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैः
जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः
जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः
ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैर्जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः
ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैर्जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः इति प्रसादिता देवैर्जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः
तथेत्युक्त्वा
भद्रकाली
बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप तथेत्युक्त्वा भद्रकाली बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप
तथेत्युक्त्वा भद्रकाली बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप तथेत्युक्त्वा भद्रकाली बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप
ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैर्जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः तथेत्युक्त्वा भद्रकाली बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप
ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैर्जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः तथेत्युक्त्वा भद्रकाली बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप ऋषिरुवाच इति प्रसादिता देवैर्जगतोऽर्थे तथात्मनः तथेत्युक्त्वा भद्रकाली बभूवान्तर्हिता नृप
I think we have 3 more shlokas, which is pretty much the end of this chapter. So if you all have 10 more minutes, we can complete this. Ityetat kadhitam bhupa sambhuta sa yatha pura devi devasharirebhyo jagattraya hitaishini. Therefore, O King Suratha, I have narrated Sambhuta sa yatha pura, how the Devi is manifests herself. Devi Deva Sharirebhyo Jagatraya Hitaishini, how she has come out of all the as the Shakti from all the divine beings for the sake of the welfare of the whole universe. Ityetat kadhitam bhupa sambhuta sa yatha pura devi deva sharirebhyo jagatraya hitaishini.
इत्येतत् कथितं भूप
इत्येतत् कथितं भूप
सम्भूता सा यथा पुरा
सम्भूता सा यथा पुरा
इत्येतत् कथितं भूप सम्भूता सा यथा पुरा
इत्येतत् कथितं भूप सम्भूता सा यथा पुरा इत्येतत् कथितं भूप सम्भूता सा यथा पुरा
देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी
जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी
देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी
देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी
इत्येतत् कथितं भूपसम्भूता सा यथा पुरा देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी
इत्येतत् कथितं भूपसम्भूता सा यथा पुरा देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी इत्येतत् कथितं भूपसम्भूता सा यथा पुरा देवी देवशरीरेभ्यो जगत्त्रयहितैषिणी
पुनश्च गौरीदेहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत् पुनश्च again Gauri Deha sa she comes back in the form of Gauri Samudbhuta comes forth as Yatha Bhavat as it is Vadhaya Dushta Daityanam to slay the two Daitya Diti's sons are Daitya Dushta Daityanam Tatha Shumbha Nishumbhayo how to kill the two wicked Daityas Shumbha and Nishumbha. Punascha Gauri Dehat sa Samudbhuta Yatha Bhavat Vadhaya Dushta Daityanam Tatha Shumbha Nishumbhayoh.
पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा
पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा
समुद्भूता यथा भवत्
समुद्भूता यथा भवत् समुद्भूता यथा भवत्
पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत्
पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत् पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत्
वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां
वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां
तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः
तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः
वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः
वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः
पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत् वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः
पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत् वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः पुनश्च गौरी देहात् सा समुद्भूता यथा भवत् वधाय दुष्टदैत्यानां तथा शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः
रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानाम् उपकारिणी तच्छृणुष्व मया आख्यातं यथावत् कथयाम ite. Now how for the protection of the whole world, so rakshanaya chalokanam, and for two reasons, rakshanaya chalokanam devanam upakarini, for the benefit of the devas, the divine ones or the good ones. How she comes back, paritranaya साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. This is the meaning of what, another meaning of how Bhagavan himself said in Bhagavad Gita, Rakshanaya cha lokanam devanam upakarini tachrunushva mayakhyatam. Listen carefully again as I will narrate it to you. Yathavat kathayam ite, as it has happened before. Let me tell you. Hrim Om. Swastisri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Shakradistutirnama Chaturdhodhyayaha.
रक्षणाय च लोकानां
रक्षणाय च लोकानां रक्षणाय च लोकानां
देवानामुपकारिणी
देवानामुपकारिणे देवानामुपकारिणे
रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानामुपकारिणी
रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानामुपकारिणे रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानामुपकारिणे
तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातम्
तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातम् तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातम्
यथावत् कथयामि ते
यथावत् कथयामि ते यथावत् कथयामि ते
तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातै यथावत् कथयामि ते
तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातै यथावत् कथयामि ते तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातै यथावत् कथयामि ते
रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानामुपकारिणी तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातै यथावत् कथयामि ते
रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानामुपकारिणी तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातै यथावत् कथयामि ते रक्षणाय च लोकानां देवानामुपकारिणी तच्छृणुष्व मया ख्यातै यथावत् कथयामि ते
ह्रीं ॐ
ह्रीं ॐ ह्रीं ॐ
स्वस्ति श्रीमार्कण्डेयपुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये शक्रादिस्तुतिर्नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः
स्वस्ति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये शक्रादिस्तुतिर्नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः स्वस्ति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये शक्रादिस्तुतिर्नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः
Sairam, thank you very much for that. That concludes the Madhyama Charitra, which is the second, third, and the fourth chapters in Devi Mahatmyam. And tomorrow we will start in conjunction with the third Adhyaya, which the third Charitra, not Adhyaya, sorry, not chapter, which is the Uttama Charitra, which will be about Maha Saraswati, and we'll start with Dhyana Shlokam on Maha Saraswati. And this beautiful three chapters that we are talking about, which is the second chapter, which is the Mahishasura Sainyavadha, and the third chapter, which is Mahishasuravadha, and the fourth one, which is Shakradistuti or Mahishantakari Suktam. Those three are very beautiful aspect about Mahalakshmi, which has destroyed the Rajasic force associated with the Tamasic nature in Mahishasura. So there is a significance behind this, and we have gone through all of that during the lessons. Please contemplate on that. Then from tomorrow, we're going to invoke Mahasaraswati before Bhagavan's birthday. With that, and we'll chant the Kshama Prarthana. यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्व क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरिः ओं तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेण मार्गेण महिं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितं सज्जनाः सन्तु निर्भया अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Shanta, for the beautiful chanting. And if there are any questions, let's capture that on this Madhyama Charitra. But if you have to sign off, I totally understand.
సాయిరామన్న ఊచుహు అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? అంటే 33rd లో దేవా ఊచుహు అన్నారు కదా.
Uvacha is singular number, uchuhu is plural number. If multiple people are speaking, it is uchuhu. If one person is saying, it is uvacha. Okay. Any other question? That's simple enough. Thank you for a simple question.
Shekharji, you were talking about 3 W's. Could you just say it one more time? I have it written down as work, wisdom. What's the third one?
Work, worship, wisdom.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, work for service, worship for adoration, wisdom for illumination. Work, worship, wisdom represents SAI. Simple. SAI is not a person. SAI is our life. Service, adoration, and illumination.
Inspiration, is that?
Atma Seva.
Shekharji, this is Usha Prabhakar.
Yes.
The last
Yes,
the last prayer that you chanted, you have the script in the Google Drive? Do you have the script for that? I liked it.
Which last prayer, Amma? The Kshama Prarthana, you mean?
After the Kshama Prarthana, the last sentences.
Kale Varshatu Parjanya. Okay. Yes. It is there. If you go to, I'll Kale Varshatu Parjanya Prudhivi Sasyashalini Deshoyam Kshobrahitam Sajjana Santu Nirbhaya. That is the shlokam.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Sairam.
Put it up in the Google Drive.
Yes.
Wonderful explanations, Shekharji. I loved it.
Sairam. Thank you, Usha. Thank you. Sairam. Any other questions or comments, please?
Saram Shekharan, today is the last day for our Ritvik submission. Any final notes? All the people who
when the saints go marching in, when the saints go marching in, oh Lord, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in, that is what I want to say. Please be in that number. Don't worry about anything. This is what the divine do. Don't worry about any, and I am not trying to trivialize people's emotions or concerns, or all those things. Please don't get me wrong. I am also not saying that you are not a good devotee if you don't get vaccinated. Okay, nothing like that. I'm not saying any of that stuff. What all I am saying is, Bhagavan, when there is a higher cause, higher purpose, and you want to truly become a river that merges in the ocean of unity, give up a little bit of your identity. Otherwise, you will never be in the ocean. You will be a small rivulet flowing somewhere and ending up nowhere. So, in unity, there is no identity. And in unity, when we come together for a higher purpose, you have to sacrifice your own little catch on things. Oh my God, government is really is governments are killing people and all of that stuff. Nothing like that. Swami will protect everyone. But Swami also said, for I got lot of emails and comments and everything. I'm not going to respond to every one of them. But the simple and the most significant 10 principles Bhagavan has given as 10 commandments to his devotees. And one of them is you have to follow the law of the land and be a good citizen. This is one of the 10. And this in 1985, he gave in a discourse. I'll be happy to share the PDF or even show the PDF. What that now people are also interpreting and saying, oh, that means if government is doing stupid things, you prefer the government. No, no, that's not what Swami is saying. When there is a common cause and a good, yes, you can argue whether vaccines are safe or not, whether they are, all those things are very genuine concerns. But truly, if God is asking you to join a cause that is for a higher purpose in prayer, would you be caught up at about your individual freedom and individual safety? Or would you be taking up for the cause of the higher good? And that is what I want to say as the beautiful inspiration from Bhagavan. He will take care of us, whether you take the vaccine or you don't take the vaccine. But for you to travel, for you to come to the yajna, this is something that you have to follow. And why we are pushing back on that, only Bhagavan knows. Yes. So that is the what did they say? What did the the shlokam say? Iti prasadita devyair jagatordha tathatmanaha atmano mokshartham jagat hitayacha. This is the two beautiful. That is exactly what it is in the context of a spiritual life is Atmano Mokshartham. Individually, you seek freedom within yourself. Seek freedom for yourself. But when it comes to society, you have to serve. And when you are serving, you have to follow certain guidelines. You have to follow certain principles. Because the service in the context of relative dharma requires you to follow certain principles. And therefore, for the higher cause and good, you give up your individual will, thy will be done. And that is the beauty of the reason why Jesus is such an inspiring divine being for me is because that's exactly what Jesus stands for. Jesus really stands for giving up individual choice for the sake of thy will be done. That's exactly what Shiva stands for. For the sake of my children and my humanity, or for all the beings, I will even consume halal. If no one is taking up halal, bring it to me. I will drink it to protect the world. And that's exactly what Jesus did. If it is that this body has to be sacrificed for the sake of taking the karmic burden of the entire universe, yes, this body means nothing. Let me sacrifice it for the sake of all the beings in all the worlds. Yeah, what
Thank
a
you, Anna. That
what a
is
powerful message from Shiva and Jesus. They're one and the same. The Father and the Son are one and the same. And the beauty of this yajna, yesterday it occurred to me that on Good Friday, April 18th is Good Friday, we will be doing Chandi Homam for the yajna.
Yes.
On Good Friday there is Chandi Homam, followed by that Sunday, which is the Easter Sunday. None of this is actually planned by human beings, right? Otherwise, I never looked at this and said, oh, April 15th. And also April 15th is Chaturdasi, which is the 14th day. It is Friday, and it is Good Friday, on which we are doing Chandi Homam.
Yes.
I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in.
Sairam, Shekhar, it's Sonia here.
Yes.
I registered as a devotee because I was not so sure what's the Ritvik, what's the scope of being a Ritvik. So I don't know if I really, maybe I could switch to register as that. It's
No,
just
you
a
chant Rudram
non-chant. Yes, I do.
Okay, you're a Ritvik. That's fine. Don't worry about it. But you have to do sadhana, right? That is the
Yes,
piece. Yes.
yes, I used to.
Okay.
Is
Yeah.
there a collective sadhana just like the previous time?
Yes.
Oh, I am not linked with that. I mean, I'm doing my own private, personal sadhana, not the collective.
No,
ones.
it is, you don't have to, we prefer collective sadhana because it brings the energy. But if
Yeah.
you are doing your daily prayers that we
Yes.
have asked you to do, including this Rudram chanting every day, that's what is entailed to be a Ritvik, right?
Okay, so I'm in then. Okay,
Okay.
thanks, Saira.
Okay, Sairam. Any other questions? Thanks, Sonia, for clarification. And if you are not sure, register. If you're not sure, register. Why I am saying that? Because Swami will do the rest. If your will is so strong you don't want to come, don't register. Because he won't help. He won't help. If you are not sure, Swami, I have this situation. I know you will take care of it. I am registering. The rest is yours. He will do what is good, what is needed. Because that is your will, and my will is to come, and now it is your will to include me or not. If you say my will is no way, then he will not interfere. Bhagavan is Maryada Purushottam. He is so amazing. He's so amazing to watch our intent. You say, Swami, I want to do it, but I don't know how. He'll make it happen. Swami, I don't want to chant Vedas, Swami. Then he'll say, please don't chant Vedas, Bangaru. Just say Om Sri Sai Ram. That is enough. But Swami, I want to chant Vedas, but I'm not sure how to do. I'll say, don't worry, I'll take care of it. And you will be blessed to chant Vedas. This is how he operates. Swami, yes, please, yes.
When I say yes, when you say yes, I say yes, yes, yes. When you say no, I say no, no, no.
Exactly. That's it. If you say yes, I am yes, 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 and yes. If you say no, I am also yes to your no. He will not say no to your no. He'll say yes to your no, because he is always S, S, S. Sri Satya Sai. S, S, S. Okay, Sairam Zelimir. Happy? Okay. Any other questions?
Shekhar, are we supposed to practice Chamakam also?
Yes. Okay. Yes, answer is yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other questions?
Oh my God.
Somebody's, oh my God. Okay. Any other questions? Zelimir, yes, you want to say something?
Yes, I want to call sisters and brothers, just register. And Swami will do vaccinate or without vaccinate and come to Yajna, serve the people, serve the universe. That's it. Saira.
Beautiful. That's from the heart. Yes. Again, no pressure, only pleasure. Only pleasure, no pressure. And I know some people registered from India without visas and things like that. And it is a very, again, who knows? Swami will do everything. But right now, the consulate is not open, and there are so many things that are uncertain with respect to visa granting to USA from countries like India. Let's pray to Swami that he'll bring us all together. So, any if there are no other questions and comments, I want to thank the already the souls and the beings that are praying for this yajna, but also lot of people that are already begin to work very hard towards that. God bless them, and God bless everyone with their positive thoughts. And 2023 hopefully will be Europe, and the Shiva Shakti yajna will happen in Europe again. And then so Zelimir is excited. Zelimir is coming with his camera and his beautiful video, photographer and videographer. So thank you for all of your love. And 2024 is going to be in Northeast USA, in Sarvadharma Center. It's a beautiful center in New Jersey. 2024, 2025, Bhagwan's will happen in Puttaparthi. So this is what we are planning for. This is really truly preparing for the centennial celebrations, not just one time. And Swami's centennial is an incredible milestone in our lives. Centennial, Bhagavan's 100 years of love, and that is an incredible milestone. We can't celebrate that 100 years of love in physical form and cosmic form just by doing it 1 year or 100 days. It has to be a lot more gratitude, like all the devas, what they said in this Maishantakari Suktam, we have to follow that. Vruddhaye smat prasanna tvam bhavedha sarvadambike. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sairam.